I'm attempting a pate. Not just any pate. Those are... Guess what those are? Right there. Those little things right there. Those are snails, escargot. And that's chicken livers right there. Right here, okay? So I just put my creme fraiche in it. I'm gonna follow with some cream cheese here, and I already got my base ready. Here is basically I have a bunch of Madeira port evolution here with some shallots, onions, garlic, thyme, and bay leaf. Okay, a little bit of pepper and a little bit of cayenne, if you may. Okay, we're dropping the cream cheese here, and voila. Alright, our base with that goodness is going in right now. Okay, we have 4 eggs. Let's drop our eggs in this beautiful mixture right there. And voila. A good tablespoon of salt, and we're ready to blend. Alright, we sealed the cap here and we're ready to blend here, okay? So let's push this guy here. Okay, voila, let's go. It looks bloody, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Alright, let's drop our butter here. And emulsify. Okay, we have our mason jars right here. Uh-oh, there's a ghost in the house. And we're gonna start pouring those babies right there. All the way, don't be shy. Alright, let's seal those babies. 1. Not too tight, okay? Just a little. Let them breathe. Because they're gonna go in the water, so you don't wanna you want to give some room for the air a little bit. Alright. Our babies are ready to go in this beautiful water bath. Okay, it's almost there. It's the 140. Now we are safe and ready to drop those puppies. It's hot. Don't do what I'm doing. I have a lot of experience in this. You can burn your hands. My hands have been submerged and as a chef burned so many times that I have no feelings, my friend. Okay, so they're there. Let's cover those babies. See, they're nicely submerged. Let's cover them and we're gonna cook them for about 2 hours. And, okay, let's come back in about 2 hours and put them in an ice bag, and then we go from there. Ciao. Okay, so I made my ice bath. I just took some water and I just put it in the freezer. Now I'm just gonna break this. Our beauties here are sitting in an ice cold water from the freezer a little bit. So after the sous vide, I had them out, let them sit outside for a while, and then I submerged them right in the ice cold water. Good morning. So those are the escargot and chicken livers pates. They've been in my fridge overnight, and we're gonna sample those beauties real soon. Look at that beautiful color. Can't wait. Okay, let's see this. Oh, check this out. So don't panic here. Look at the color from here to here. This doesn't look so yummy, does it? Right there. This is, my friends, is called oxidation. Alright? So I'm gonna have to remove this. Okay? And I'll show you how to do it, okay? So you just get a little spoon and scrub the top. Okay, here's the spoon. and start scrapping. See? That's what you want. Got it? Got the difference. And this should be the final chapter. So what I did is I took some clarified butter, heated up a little bit, poured it in on top after I took the oxidation out with a spoon, and this is the final result. Et voila! Look how beautiful this is. You see before and after. So now we're gonna dig into this thing. Yum. Warm up a baguette or a brioche, and let's take this beauty here and let's sample this. Actually, what we just made is a pate with escargot, snails, and chicken livers, all organic also. Ooh, look at that. Yum! You see what I see? Let's drizzle some honey here. Honey, 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 baby. And some molten salt or the other fancy salt, such as fleur de sel. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I heard this word. Oh, it's orgasmic. You guys. If you want to know details of this decadent recipe, you could email me via YouTube or contact me so I can get you the foolproof recipe. But this is to die for. Bon appetit, guys. Ciao, bellos.